We're going to pink. Yeah, I got a little pink. You're wild, girl. You're wild. Now we match.
Yeah. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it?
There you go. So 3 out of 4 of us have pink hair. What happened over here,
Yeah.
babe? Oh, we got a lot of hair we can turn pink. Here we go. I don't think we can film inside, so we're gonna have to meet you back on the other side. It's gonna be a good show. How about it, Lyle Man?
Yay, pink!
Hi! 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 Oh boy.
So happy. Oh. Don't you ever leave me alone that long again.
We're back to Pistol after the Pink concert. So that was an amazing concert.
My ears hurt.
Oh my gosh, my whole head is just like crazy because of this.
It's not a pretty good show.
Oh my gosh.
I mean,
flying through the air and
there was like a little bit of Circus Soleil going on there.
there was. It was really, really, really good.
Now it's really, really late. It's like way past our bedtime.
It's 1 p.m. What? Why do you think it's mealtime, honey? It's not. You ate dinner.
All right.
Yeah, so it's 1 in the morning. We left our van at our friend Bruce and Karen's, and it's about 2.5 hours away from the venue where we watched Pink. We rode up with Lyle and Diane. So they dropped us back off here. She's been in the van. They've been walking her around. It was 1 in the morning, and we're going to bed.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, you don't need any food, I promise. You're just excited. Okay, let's go to bed. Good morning. I'm really tired still.
This might be a 2-nap day for you.
Oh my gosh, I have already had 1 nap. We're just coming back from our friend Tompkins where we parked our van overnight. Yeah.
Heading back to Newport, and we just thought there's no wind right now, and it's so green, and I think I might have the drone working. I had to update some software, so I'm gonna go out here and see if I can't film some of these green trees.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Now this is a new road they cut through here. It's bypassing some of the curvier road of Highway 20. But man, so I've not really seen it from this angle before. It's really pretty. Let's try it.
Hang on the drone, I'll show you.
Okay, check this out. back into Newport. We've just been driveway surfing the past few days. We don't really have any other options here. Like to visit people. We just hang out in their driveway. Tomorrow I think we're going to get up early and see if there's... Well, the coast is inherently windy, always, but in the morning sometimes you can catch it with less wind. And maybe it'll be calm enough that we can fly the drone by the beach or something.
Yeah.
And then also I think we might take you to the world's shortest something and the world's smallest something. So, what could that be? I'm going to go take a nap. We'll see you tomorrow.
What do you think she wants?
Oh.
Just staring at her food dish.
Oh my gosh.
Just staring at the food box.
Look at those eyes.
Oh my gosh.
You had your lunch, honey. Dave's out flying the drone. We are, well, he's trying to. It's having a software issue. We're headed north out of Newport. And we're going to be checking out some cool stuff along the way. It's probably going to be a lot of ocean and driving footage because it's so pretty here. So, cue the montage. We are in Depoe Bay, the world's smallest harbor, right here. It's pretty cool. It is tiny.
It is. The bay is actually, that's Highway 101, right there, the bridge. And the bay is just that short section out there. And you come in here, this is the harbor.
Now, you were in the Coast Guard in Newport.
Yes.
And this is north of Newport. But you, when you were in the Coast Guard, you brought boats through this harbor at times, or?
I actually only came in this harbor by boat once. The Motor Lifeboat Victory, which is Google. Motor Lifeboat Victory.
Motor Lifeboat Victory.
Yeah, they only made 4 of these boats in the mid-50s. They're all still in service. And there's still one still in service in Newport. They're designed for 30-foot seas. I mean, insane weather conditions.
Which we get here on the Oregon coast.
Yeah, and I actually ran that boat in the late 80s, and I brought it in this harbor just to come to the station for, I can't remember why, but it's pretty tight. Maybe we can drive out and park up there and actually show them.
with the bridge.
It's a real tight thing, and when it's calm like this, it's no big deal, but when it's rough, it's a challenge. And towing boats through here,
Oh
I never towed a boat through here, but it's a unique Coast Guard skill that few ever get to do. But
Let's go up to the top of the bridge and check
your
it out.
hair's pink.
My hair is very pink today.
Jesus, pink.
You know what? You only go around once. If you want pink hair, get pink hair, right?
You are like a honey badger.
I'm all in.
You don't care.
I don't care. Pretty calm day today compared to most.
Yeah, so the town of Depoe Bay is right over, this is Highway 101. This is actually called the Depoe Bay seawall. And especially in the winter, the water is a lot rougher than this. This is actually a very calm day. Even in the summer it can get bad. But when the tide's up and it's rough weather conditions, 15, 20 foot plus seas, water will hit here, hit this area, and there'll just be a splash of water be going on the 101. It's just a impressive sight.
So we just showed you the footage from the other side of that bridge where the river starts and it flows under the bridge and then just dumps into the Pacific Ocean right down here.
Pretty cool. So the world's shortest river is 400 feet long.
Yep, 400 feet. That's short. One more stop on our way back to Newport. We're in Boiler Bay, which is in Depoe Bay. We're headed back south again. We're stopping here for lunch. It's a great place for lunch. We're gonna leave you with some footage from here. We'll catch you guys on the other side. Lots of spectacular footage this video. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next video. You'll have to wait and find out.
Probably more spectacular footage.
Probably.
Probably the most spectacularest footage ever.
Don't promise. Don't make promises. We don't know.
I promise she's gonna do some really epic
No.
editing. I promise her music selections will be perfect.
No pressure.
It's always awesome.
All right, what's for lunch?
Macaroni salad.
Oh yeah,
macaroni salad.
macaroni salad.
I'm surprised there's leftovers.
Me too. Yeah.
You don't get any.
Ah, mine. There he is. There, oh, there he is. Oh. We saw gray whales. What? Oh man, that was cool. We didn't even know there were some people out there watching. I mean, people look at the ocean and then all of a sudden we see a spout. I'm trying to get on camera, hoping, I zoomed in all the way, so I'm hoping you guys can see the whales, but.
A lot of them, you can see the spout offshore, but they're way too far to get on camera.
Yeah, really far out there.
There must be a bunch right over there. There's a bunch of charter boats.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, nap time. We'll catch you guys on the
Got a
flip
belly
side.
full of my macaroni salad.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
She's sleepy too. Her and I are gonna take a nap. All right, we'll catch you guys. See ya. There, oh, there he is. Oh.